And that's why I normally caution our President RUTO, don't push Kikuyus to have a king. Don't push Kikuyus to have a king. That's what I normally tell them, because Kikuyus don't have a king. A king is born in the Kikuyu land because of a challenge.
Okay.
We don't have, Kikuyus don't have kings. It is a situation that creates a king.
In terms of their need.
In terms, it's a need-based king. Like now, Gachagua is a hero for everybody.
Not
like Luos, we have Raila forever. Not like Kambas, we have Kalonzo forever. Not like the Luyas, they have Musalia Mudavadi forever. No. Kikuyus, they have a need-based king. And if you push them, they will rally around one person. They will support him, they will fund him, they will give him everything, and they will push him until the need is solved.
Just because of the need.
Because of that need. Once the need is through, that's the end of that king. So I was really cautioning RUTO, don't form a king in the Kikuyu. If you try form a king in Kikuyu, he will destroy you. Because Kikuyus have the muscles to do anything and the capacity to push for any single agenda. As long as they know you've touched their interest, they will fight you. And this is what has made Gachagua to become Gachagua. And that is what made Mungiki to become Mungiki. Because we came to solve the need, and then I became the king of them. I became the warrior of them.